What's up, guys? It's me, your boy, Johnny Rizzo, marketing and stuff. I want to tell you real quick, I was jogging and I was thinking how, staying in shape, and in my case, maybe getting back in shape, is not always easy, but it's simple, right? You put one foot in front of the other and you jog. Hey, you go for a walk, you do something, it's not hard, right? It's not complex, I should say. So it's simple, but it's not easy, is it? It is pretty hard, actually. It's just not complex. So same thing with marketing, it's not easy. It is, it's hard to do, to be consistent, to be creative, to keep trying to do something new and trying to stay, abreast of the industry and talk to your customers and your clients and see what they want and make sure you're serving them well. Not always that easy to do everything all at once, especially when you're running a business. But it isn't complex though. It's really, and look at this beautiful place. I love this, my jogging room. I'm enjoying it. It's not easy, but it's enjoyable. Same thing with your marketing. You can. It doesn't have to be complex, even though it's not easy. It's simple. Just do one thing after another. Just stay in touch with people. Keep listening. Keep your ear to the ground. The streets. Have fun with it. But again, I don't know. This is me. Just was thinking about stuff on this walk. I was jogging a minute ago. Check out the videos. Keep watching. I'm gonna come out with more for you.